No. We are back with Rants Review, and this time we are checking out Monopoly, the United States Postal Service Edition. If you like stamps, then this is going to be your game. We're a huge fan of Monopoly, although we prefer playing Monopoly specifically when someone cries at the end. If someone doesn't want to knock the game board over at the very end, you're not playing the game right. It's brutal, and that's the way we love it. Now, you can love the way you play Monopoly differently than others as well. No judgments, but it really just depends on how competitive you are. The United States Postal Service is a great service that exists specifically to get parcels from one place to the other, including post and mail. The importance of it is, it's so hard to explain, but without it, there is an infrastructure that even other shipping companies use that will just dry up and disappear. So the good thing about this is it is licensed for the United States Postal Service. So for every purchase you make of this game, a portion of the proceeds does go to them. So that is awesome. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Very traditional Monopoly box. You've got extra pieces for their unique and specific system. You've got blue houses and red hotels, which I believe in this game are supposed to be like representative of mailboxes and distribution centers. The traditional dice, you've got money, but instead of the traditional Monopoly, it's emboldened with the United States Postal Service logo on it. And then let's check out the game board, and then we'll go over the other things. So you might notice that all the properties have been replaced with stamps, and the specific like utilities and train stations have been replaced with wide format stamps. And if you're a collector, a lot of these stamps are going to be really cool stamps that you specifically would enjoy. Additionally, you do have a different set of cards. You have special delivery and rain, heat, and snow. Oh, they got rid of sleet. But let's look at these game pieces here real quick. So it looks like we have a postcard, a package, a roll of stamps, a mail truck, a mailbox, and the logo for the USPS. So that's really cool. I love those. The postcard is so cool. It's like almost like it's a stack of postcards, but like that is awesome. And then inside this pack here, we have specifically the special delivery and rain, heat, and snow cards, as well as the property cards. So let's get the property cards out of here. Special delivery. They feel like small stacks. Maybe I'm just confused. I always thought they were larger than this when I was playing when I was a kid. But rain, heat, and snow. We've got get out of jail, buy a stamp book, pay $50. A popular celebrity stamp released, receive $100. That's funny. Save money with flat rate shipping, collect $100. That is very true. Flat rate shipping, highly recommend it. Buy a new magnifying glass, pay $50. If you're a stamp collector, magnifying glasses are key. So they're pretty much very identical cards to what you would get in Monopoly for the effect, but I love like the special effects of how you got it. Like, get your tax return in the mail, collect $200. Not gonna say no to that, right? And then for the special delivery cards, advance the nearest railroad stamp. All the stamps of the railroads are railroads on the stamps. That's awesome. I did not pick up on that. Oh, that's cool. The Hoover Dam stamp for the water company and the solar power stamp for the electric company. That's just brilliant. And then again, you have like buy a roll of stamps, wrong address on company Christmas cards, pay each player $50. Oh, trick or treat, advance to the jack-o'-lantern. If you pass go, collect $200. So I mean, these are are really cool little themed cards. I think it's awesome. If you are a fan of Monopoly, if you're a fan of stamps, if you're a fan of the USPS, this is a really good option for you to show your love and support, not only for an institution that can always need help as something is always threatening them, but it's just fun. I mean, who doesn't love Monopoly? Who didn't love Monopoly? Who wouldn't play Monopoly if given a chance again? The people I play against would not want to play again, because that's how I play Monopoly. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got more of these videos. Again, they drop every Friday. Please like, subscribe, and check out our next video when it comes out.